न तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव स्वचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षुः पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम्.
But you cannot see me with your own eyes. I give you the divine eye. See my supreme yoga. What is this divine eye? You know, people draw this pictorially as one horrible third eye opening up somewhere in your forehead. It's just the way you look at things. You know, Steve Jobs, when he went for a convocation to Stanford University, he spoke about his experiences. And he said, at a very young age, the company that he himself had started and a person that he had got on board, in other words, a person he had employed in the belief that they could work together to take the company much higher, suddenly things went wrong. And the guy that he had hired turned against him and threw him out of his own company. You all know that's what happened. So he says, I was out and very publicly out. But, and that's the thing, he looked at it, the same thing which was tragic and horrible from his point of view. Imagine you create something and you are thrown out of it. He had the capacity of looking at it from a completely positive angle. And he said, great, I don't have the baggage of having to carry a huge organization with me. I am alone, I am free, I have the independence to do what I want. And he started all over again. And like he says, I was rejected, but I was still in love with the work that he was doing. And he started again, and the irony is that he had whatever set of circumstances happened, and he's back to his original company. So this is the way that you need to look at things, negative things that happen in your life. The truth of the matter is the world is full of pairs of opposites. So there will be joyful times at times, there will be sorrowful times. So when sorrowful times come, when bad things happen to you, number one, you should understand, like Krishna says, you had it coming. The law of karma is functioning. That person is only an instrument of the law. So don't waste your time getting angry with him. Don't waste your time entertaining negative thoughts about him. Just pick up the pieces, learn from this, and move on. Actually, when you look at it in retrospect, you say, the signs were there long back. I didn't see it then. So this had to happen for me to wake up. And when you look at things like this, you learn and you become a better person. And that's the reason why it comes to you. Later it says Vishnu. The Gada comes to you only to help you to improve. It is not meant as punishment. So that's what he's saying. Divya Chakshu, the ability to temporarily rise above your view, your particular angle of vision, and view the thing from a totality point of view. And then you learn many things that eluded you earlier. So there are three kinds of eyes that we have. One, physical eyes. With the physical eyes, you only see what? Color and form. You see terrestrial things. The second kind of eye is the emotional eye or the intellectual eye, with which you are able to capture subtler things. But still, the mind and intellect don't take you to realization. What you need is the spiritual eye, which takes you to the transcendental. So what he says is Divya Chakshu is this spiritual eye. Verse 9.